Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is visual properties. In this video, we will learn that how we can use visual properties in Camtasia Studio. So go over here, and if we don't have visual properties tab here, so click on more, then click on visual properties. To really understand how animations work, we have to start with visual properties and objects. Visual properties are made up of position, rotation, scale or size, and opacity, which is basically how to see through object is. In Camtasia Studio, all of this can be adjusted with pixel perfect accuracy in the Visual Properties tab. For example, here is the scale slider, and here is where you can add rotation and you can change position from here, and there is a button in the Visual Properties tab that lets you add an animation. First, move your playhead where you want to add animation. That lets you add an animation. Click on it. You can see which appears as an arrow right on tab of the media. So first, change the rotation, and we can also change the animation duration like that. Now let's see the preview how it's work. So you can see the rotation. Just like that, we can add scale animation, like add animation, then scale it. Now see the preview. And we can also change the position from here. And if you want to decrease opacity, you can see that's like black because we have black background. If you want to restore default setting, click on this button. I want to change the scale. Then we have visual effects like drop shadow, colorize, border, and remove a color. I want to add colorize visual effect. You can see the blue color. You can change the color from here, and you can also change the amount of the color from here. We can also add border which you want to add, and increase the thickness of border. And which color you want to remove, just select from here. Now let's see the preview. You can see the rotation and yellow borders, and we can also add callouts, just like add callout, then decrease it. Now click on add animation and change the location. Now let's see the preview. Click on play. You can see how it's work. We can increase the duration of the animation. Now click on play. You can see how it's work. So we can also add animation on pictures, slides or video clips. So in that way we can use visual properties in Camtasia Studio. So it was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.